Hi everyone, this video is about performance optimization techniques in Angular. So first one is lazy loading or code splitting. In this, lazy loading loads part of our application only when needed and it reduces the initial load time. It is done by splitting our application into smaller chunks and loading them on demand. So this is called lazy loading. Second is OnPush chain detection strategy. So by using the OnPush strategy, Angular checks for changes only when input properties change or when events occurs, making the application more efficient by reducing unnecessary checks. So OnPush change detection strategy is also a performance optimization technique in Angular, where Angular checks for changes only when input properties change or when event occurs. So it makes the application more efficient by reducing the unnecessary checks. Third one is AOT compilation, means ahead of time compilation. It compiles the code at the time of building the application instead of compiling the code at the time of loading the page in the browser. That is JIT. So AOT compilation converts the HTML and TypeScript code into JavaScript code before the browser downloads and runs it. So it results in the faster rendering process. So that's why AOT compilation is better than JIT, which means just-in-time compilation. And AOT compilation, it is suitable for production environments. And these are the commands for the AOT. ngbuild --prod. Using this command, it enables AOT by default. Okay. ngserve -AOT, ngbuild -AOT. These are the commands for AOT compilation. Next one is tree shaking. Okay. So tree shaking is a technique to remove unused code from the final production build, which reduces the size of final JavaScript bundle. So ngbuild -prod, this command enables tree shaking and other optimization techniques by default. Okay, so this is tree shaking, means it is a technique to remove unused code from the final production build, which results in the reduced size of final JavaScript bundle. Okay, and next fifth point is production build optimization. ngbuild -prod, it enables various optimizations like AOT, tree shaking, minification, and uglified.js. Okay. So what is minification? Minification is the process of removing unnecessary characters from source code without changing the functionality. So it includes removing white extra space, comments, shortening variable names to reduce the size of code, which improves the load times and performance. Okay, so next sixth point is service workers and caching. So it implements service workers to cache static assets like images, icons, APIs to improve the loading speed of the application. And this is particularly used for progressive web applications. And progressive web applications works on any device or any screen size and can work in low network conditions using service workers. Okay. Next one is avoid memory leaks. So we should ensure to unsubscribe from observables and detach event listeners in your components to avoid memory leaks. Okay. So we should use ng-on-destroy to clean up resources. So this is the example how we have removed the event listener. Okay, this is the event listener. Click event listener. This is how we removed it from the div. Okay, so it is a good practice to ensure to unsubscribe from observables and detach event listener in our components to avoid memory leaks. Eighth point is implement data structure optimization techniques. So to reduce code complexity and optimize the application performance with better code, we implement data structure optimization techniques. Okay. Ninth point is optimize third-party libraries. we should use optimized and lightweight third-party libraries, and we should avoid any unnecessary imports. Okay, and we should avoid including large libraries if only a small part of their functionality is needed. Now next point is use Webpack Bundle Analyzer tool to analyze and optimize bundle size. So this tool helps to analyze and visualize the size of our apps bundle. So by identifying large files and modules, we can optimize them to reduce the overall size. Okay. Now next point is we should consider Angular Universal for optimization techniques. What is Angular Universal? It allows server-side rendering, improving the initial load performance by pre-rendering the app on the server before sending it to the client. Okay, so these are the performance optimization techniques in Angular.